5 to 30 seconds. This is wrong. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. During this holiday season, I'm not doing very much content. 2024 is going to be stocked full of content. But when a machine comes out that I am royally excited about and want to get my hands on, and then they reach out and say, do you want to be a part of our Black Friday sale? I'm like, does it mean I get to test out the machine? Yes. Por favor, please, bonjour, all the things. So, with the HTVront new Tumbler press, which aka double mug press, I mean, I already have a couple other ones, but I am just living for this, knowing how much I actually love the auto press. So, we're just gonna get right in and open it because I think it's gonna be just as self-explanatory as all the other things that HTVront comes out with. They literally have the easiest stuff, and I'm telling you, they are just in it to win it. Like, they are knocking it out of the park with every single thing they come out with. So when they saw that they were coming out with this, I was like, hands down, I will get rid of all my Tumbler presses. They're also doing a Black Friday sale. I'm gonna do a separate segment just to read the Black Friday sale because it's a little hard to understand. Kind of. I'll try to break it down. I'll try to understand it, and then I'll try to break it down. So I'm gonna probably upload this video to kind of explain and unbox, and then I'll probably upload a how to use it video. So I'm also gonna do a small CHI fundraiser this year. I did not go big with CHI this year because I just have had a year, but I did go to Africa in March, so I created 2 tumblers out of my actual photography that I used there, and I'm going to be selling the tumbler wrap that you can use plus the photography, so you can use it in different sublimation projects. But when you buy the photography bundle of all the photos I took in Africa, every dollar from that sale, I'm going to donate to CHI. That's all I can commit to this year. But as I was making these tumblers and I was printing out my photos from Africa, I was like, okay, I'm going to do this. I want to support that. I'm going to leave it up for sale, and every time it sells, I'm going to donate that income to CHI. Forever, I'm just going to leave that product up there. So photography, Africa photography. Okay, so it comes with heat tape. I'm assuming that all of your guys' will come with this, and heat gloves, which is very needed for projects. Oh, this is very light. They're so easy to use. They're so, like, sleek looking, and I just love it so much. I just love it. And if you already have any HTVront products, you'll notice that the buttons look exactly the same on all of their machines. They have the temperature, the time, the plus, the minus, the R, I think that's the start button, and then the power button. So when you start to get their products, you'll get really familiar with the button setting. I'm just gonna plug her in. I feel like this unboxing is going to be pretty short because, ooh, I also like that this is not a sticker. Okay, it's just window cling. So it's not like I'm trying, anybody who buys frames from like Ross or TJ Maxx, you guys know what I'm talking about. So we're just going to turn it on. I'm assuming this is exactly, let me get you guys closer so that you guys can see the buttons. Button, who's got the button? Am I getting better at saying button, guys? You guys rip my heads off when I say that word because apparently I say it really bad. So, power button. Baton. It's really not funny that I can't say button, and everything I deal with has buttons. Batons. But maybe I'll just say it completely different so that nobody can get mad at me. Boutelones. All right, let's turn the boutelone on. Comment down below what I should call buttons. I don't know. Okay, so this is the start button. I'm assuming it's going to close. So we want to set our temperatures. So temp boutelone, and then say we want to go to 400. So let's see what happens when we hold. It goes up in increments of 10. Love that for us. The beep is not very obnoxious. That's a big one for us. Okay, so it looks like we only go up to 390 degrees. Okay, let me see if there's a like cheat sheet, because if there is not, I will be making one, but there is. Oh, I love this. There's a cheat sheet. I am gonna make one in branding colors though, because we need things that are cute in life. So there's a cheat sheet for your substrates. So if all the substrates, textile applications, ceramic mug, ceramic plate, cap, phone case, mouse pad, glass, and keychain. I feel like that's just a general heat transfer settings for all of their products, because when am I going to make a mouse pad in this? When am I going to make a keychain in this? So I want to do a tumbler, which they sent me tumblers, and the tumbler's not on here. So we're going to find out that, and we'll have that on our printable. But maybe the tumblers have the... Okay, so anyways, textile substrates, I believe that's fabric. Let's just go with ceramic mug, 280 to 350. That's a big jump. So I'm going to turn this down. Since we're already at 250, I'm going to turn it down to... So when you just press the button, it goes down in increments of 5. When you hold, it goes down in increments of 10, 15. That is such a big gap. Okay. Whew, 5 to 30 seconds. This is wrong. You would turn it on, you'll warm it up, you set your time, then you prep your tumbler or your mug. So let's go over to get some deets on the actual sale, so that way you guys can get this if you're wanting to get it for a Christmas gift, or if you're wanting to buy it to make Christmas gifts. If you are a member to mine, I have Tumbler templates. I have other tumblers and patterns that you can print out. So we'll be using some of my patterns in the next video that you can use to wrap your tumblers in, or you can use these to upload to Canva and add your own photos on top of them. So if you guys want to see videos on that, let me know. I do feel like this machine is going to be a very sought after product this year. I think that it's not only great for if you're starting a business, but even just if you're gifting tumblers all year and you're crafting with them, it'll pay for itself, honestly, because a handmade tumbler is so fun and so cool to give. Again, I am probably going to upload a Canva tutorial on how to make your own personal collage photos. And then we'll do some mixed media as well. So I love kind of doing like a sublimation base on a tumbler and then adding some UV or vinyl or bling. Love adding bling to my sublimated tumblers. A lot of really great ways to not have to use epoxy, because you guys might know, might not know, but I have a chronic illness due to doing epoxy for just a short bit of my life, and I have to be very careful. So this, I would say, use it in a well-ventilated area, do it in a place that you can get some good airflow in, and wear PPE, protect yourself. We're going to go into how to make a tumbler and my tips. There are going to be other tips, but we're going to go into that next. All right, let's talk about the sale. Okay, so there are two ways to purchase this. One, you can go to the actual HTVront site and buy a $1 coupon. So that will get you $15 off next week when the sale goes live for Black Friday. Or you can shop it on Amazon right now. It's on sale right now through Black Friday for $1.99. I'm not sure if there's an extra coupon code for Prime Day. I'm waiting to get that email back. As soon as I get that email back, I will add it to the description. If there's not a coupon code, then that's what you get it for, $1.99. But all links are down below. It's a little complicated, but you have until the 28th, 11/28, to shop the sale. And on Amazon, it's staying the same till that date. On HTVront, it will go on sale officially on the 21st to the 28th, if that makes sense. And then right now, you can buy that $1 coupon to get you $15 off the auto press. But either way, it's on sale for $1.99 on Amazon. I think it's a great deal. I think that this, if you make 20 tumblers, that's $10 a piece plus the cost of the tumbler. You pay for itself. So if you sell them for like 30 or 40 a piece, or you do custom orders for people, or you're just gifting to people, it can pay for itself in one Christmas season. So there you have it. Obviously, you're going to need some more stuff to use it, like your printer and all things, but I'm assuming you guys know all of that. So that's the sale. Hope you guys enjoy it.